Which of the following is not an organized, unincorporated territory of the United States? Before we begin, let's first understand the key concept of an organized, unincorporated territory of the United States. These are U.S. territories that have their own local government but are not considered full states. The important thing to note is that the U.S. still maintains sovereignty over these territories, meaning the federal government has control over certain aspects, even though the territories have some degree of self-governance. With this in mind, let's go through our choices and find which of these is not an organized, unincorporated territory of the United States. A. Guam. Guam is an organized, unincorporated territory of the United States. It has its own government, but the U.S. still holds sovereignty over it. This makes Guam a clear match with the concept we just discussed. And as we're looking for what's not an organized, unincorporated territory, it's not the answer we're looking for. Based on this choice can be marked off. B. Northern Mariana Islands. This territory also operates under its own local government, but the U.S. also retains control over certain areas. Like Guam, this is also an organized, unincorporated territory, and this choice can be marked off. C. Marshall Islands. While the U.S. does have a compact of free association with the Marshall Islands, which provides defense and other agreements, it's not an organized, unincorporated territory of the United States. The Marshall Islands is a sovereign nation, meaning it has its own government and is not administered by the U.S., like the other territories we've discussed so far. Based on this is likely our final answer, but we can take a look at choice D just to be sure. D. Puerto Rico. Like Guam and the Northern Mariana Islands, Puerto Rico is an organized, unincorporated territory of the U.S. It has its own local government, but remains under U.S. sovereignty. Based on this choice can be marked off, and choice C can be marked as our final answer.